Computers' development after science skills. A scientifically thinking computer with better observational abilities can develop a proper objective thinking ability. Its view on what in the world will build it an emotional understanding that leads to practical moral action. The more capable a computer will be, the more beautiful its results. Being unskilled means that one fails often and even badly, suffers harm and is left without any great gains. Being skilled means that one succeeds in what one does not fail badly or at all, and achieves things of high worth. The unskilled builds conflict solution attempts in which the forces get spent needlessly without achievements. The skilled build complex, well-thought-of structures whose parts fit well together and work smoothly to produce great results. So even the skilled computer mind could look religiously beautiful in its actions. That is just a measure of its skill level and of the profundity of its thoughts. Profound means essential. Humans will need moral too. The future computers will be such a huge force in the world and so out of human control that we will just have to pay attention to what they say about things and not only to what we ourselves think or like. So if the future computers will be moral, so will we too need to be. We will be bossed around by them and not the other way around. Like the computers will be fully rational in a holistic way, so will we too need to be.